This is already the 8th measurable snow of the season, but each storm has brought an average of less than an inch. Some people are just plain sick of Mother Nature teasing us. So on this day of love, Five on Your Side's Grant Bissell gave those people a chance to vent their frustrations.
Dear Mother Nature, stop being lame already. You blow in here and you ruin our weekends.
It's been so annoying. Like, I feel like I can't do anything.
You screw up the roads. You cause crashes. And you make otherwise adorable reporters squint and squirm during their live shots. And then, you don't even have the common courtesy to drop enough snow to cover the grass. So, from all of us to you, either do it right or get off our backs.
I think I'd rather have one big one because then I wouldn't have to do anything or leave the house. Probably be able to call into work because of it.
Even MoDOT, your sworn enemy on the roads, would rather see you just open up and let us have it.
One big snow definitely is easier to deal with because it's less taxing on our crews. Our crews will have, every small storm, our crews are always in, and it's very hard for them to have to be here, all the time.
And while they're normally thrilled to see you, even the sledding community is disappointed in your effort.
Not enough snow.
How many snow days would you like to have?
Like 10.
The snow here in St. Charles County is so puny that I, a child in a grown man's body, can't even get a good run going on a sled. They make it look so easy.
Oh, and here's a shock. The Twitterverse chimed in. Robbie Fabry's hair tweeted, "You call this snow? I've seen more flakes on my grandpa's shoulder than this."
I'm seriously done with it. I'm ready for summer, spring. It's time.
I reached out to Mother Nature today for comment, but I didn't get a response.
Typical.
In St. Charles County, Grant Bissell, News Channel 5, on all our side.
And for those of you who are wondering, the first day of spring is only a few weeks away.